Hey guys, it's us from the SLM channel. What are we actually gonna make today?
Well, we're making an art piece. Want to help me?
Sure.
Let's begin.
Okay, first we're gonna use a tree. So we cut this out from foam, and you guys can design the tree however you like. And we're gonna paint it with black paint now. Wanna help me? Okay. So let me get the black paint. Okay guys, so we've completed painting the tree, all the edges, so like that. And now we can start on the canvas. So now we're going to be painting our canvas, the background, with blue watercolor pencils. So let's grab a few. And okay, so let's color it. Now we are done painting the canvas. We're gonna let it dry. Okay, and while it's drying, we're gonna be making some flowers and leaves. We'll teach you how to make one. To make the flower, you're gonna need a 2x2 inch square piece, but you can decide on the size. And next, you're gonna fold it into a triangle like this. Fold it into another triangle again. And into another triangle. And the last triangle. There we go. And then you're going to want to cut a shape like this. So, just like that. Okay, we'll be last bit. There we go. So that's how it looks like. Let's open it up and see. Ta-da! So that's how you make your flower. And then, that's not it. You're gonna cut a line right into the middle. So from here to the middle is what I'm gonna be cutting. And then you're gonna put glue on one of the petals here. And then you're gonna fold it and you're gonna make a shape like this. So let's do that. Let me get my right. And now you're gonna put it on. Just like that. And there you go, you have a flower. Now, to make the leaf, you're gonna need a piece of paper like this. And I'm gonna fold it in half. And you're gonna cut a shape like this. So let's start cutting. Okay, now that's what it looks like, and you can add details like this if you want by doing this. There you go. And that's what it looks like. Now, to finish it off, you're going to do almost the same thing, but you're going to cut the line from the bottom a bit close to the middle, but not exactly the middle, so like that much. And You're gonna put some glue on one side like this and fold it a bit. And then you have like a little bump on the back. So that's how you make them. So we've already made a lot. You're probably gonna need a lot to do our art piece. So let's go check on our canvas. Hey guys, so we've put a border here just in case the paint goes in. So we're gonna make this border black. So let's start painting. Okay guys, so the paint has dried and it's time to take the tape out. Okay, so let's just peel it carefully and make sure. There we go. Got one. Let's do another one slowly.
This is so weird. I'm like tilting.
Ta-da!
Wow.
So that's how it looks. Let's see how the tree looks on it. Oh,
Wow.
pretty. Okay, so okay, now it's time to glue on the tree. So I'm gonna use now let's glue it on right in the center. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna add a little few details to our flowers. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get our flower cutter and we're gonna cut out flowers to add to the inside of our flowers. So it's gonna look like that. Put it in the center. There you go. And it's gonna look really pretty. So we'll be doing that now. I'll do them. You guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be gluing our flowers and our leaves onto our canvas. Okay. Okay guys, so we're finally done. Are you ready? Drum roll please. This is what it looks like. So we finished adding all our flowers and leaves, and I think it looks so amazing. I really like how we put the white flowers inside. What do you really like about it?
I really like about like all the flowers since it's like really covered.
And I like how it's colorful. Like if we picked one color,
Yeah.
it would be kind of boring. And yeah. So comment down below if you made this too. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys had a great time. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed.
Put the bell down.
To get notified when our next video is posted. Thank you. Bye.